Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming requirements and signing in. Make sure Windows or Mac OS is updated and the OneDrive client is installed. Sign in with your Microsoft account so Cloud ID match. Next, check available storage and upgrade if necessary, then pick personal versus work account when prompted. Once done, open the OneDrive settings panel to prepare folder selection. This first action links your device to the cloud and unlocks the backup options you'll configure in the next step. Now you choose exactly what gets backed up and how. Go to OneDrive settings, open Backup, then Manage Backup. Check Desktop, Documents and Pictures, or add any custom folders you rely on. Decide Files on demand so placeholders save space, or mark important folders as always keep on this device to ensure local availability. Make sure sync is enabled for networks you trust. Once those selections are saved, OneDrive will begin initial upload and continuous monitoring whenever files change. Finish by validating the backup and knowing how to fix problems. Check the OneDrive icon for syncing status and review recent file versions in Activity to confirm uploads completed. If you encounter conflicts, choose Keep Both or Replace and use version history to restore prior copies. If sync stalls, restart the OneDrive app, sign out and back in, or run the OneDrive reset command. These quick measures fix most issues. Remember to test a sample restore to ensure your backup actually recovers files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.